What's up folks, Malvika here from Havenspire. Today let's talk about trading journal. In this video, I'm gonna talk about what is trading journal and the importance of weekend analysis. Make sure you guys watch the video till the end because I'll be giving out 4 important steps to maintain your trading journal. Also, please make sure that you guys subscribe to our YouTube channel because we'll be making more quality content in the future, and let's all learn and grow together in the realm of stock market trading. Have you ever wondered why sports like cricket, football or basketball maintain performance record? The performance record often contain what went wrong, what went right, the strategies, the next plan, etc. Maintaining a trading journal is just like this. Trading journal is one of the most underrated tools in stock trading, especially by beginners. Trading is a repetitive process and you got to use trial and error to see what works best for you, what doesn't work best for you, and maintaining a record sounds like a very obvious thing, right? You are prone to make mistakes in the market every day, and keeping a track record of it helps you to analyze your mistakes during the weekend. Weekend analysis help you to recap all your trades that happened during the week and also help you to refine your strategies, your psychology and your trading setups for the next coming week. Trading journal helps you to monitor your progress as well, meaning you can judge your performance in an organized manner. This means you just not look into your profit and loss, but you also look into the quality of the trades that you take in every time. Even decisions like increasing your capital and position sizing can be taken based on your trading journal. Now let's jump to the 4 steps of journaling a trade. Step number 1, log the trade details. This includes trade dates, buy price, total share, sell price, risk involved, ROI and leverage used. Step 2, write your trade notes. This means you can write what went wrong, what went right, the setups you have taken in, and a recap of the entire trade that you've done in the previous week in your own words. You can use apps like Evernote, Google Keeps, etc. to do the same. Step 3, always review your trade data, charts and notes. This will help you to identify potential bad habits, change trade routine, help you to identify areas of improvement, and overall change the focus for the next trade. Step 4, archive for later use. Once you're done reviewing the trade from start to finish, move the dated file to a separate folder and keep adding every day's file to the same folder. So folks, ensure that you maintain your trading journal on a daily basis, use your weekend for your weekend analysis, and plan your upcoming week ahead. Thank you for watching our video guys. I hope you liked it. Comment down your thoughts below and subscribe to our YouTube channel for our more upcoming videos.